Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Trezor wallet. First, connect your Trezor device to your computer using the included USB cable. Ensure you are using a trusted computer and a secure internet connection. Next, open your web browser and go to the official Trezor Suite website. You may be prompted to install the Trezor Bridge application, which is essential for your device to communicate with the software. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this installation. Once connected, your Trezor device will guide you through the initial setup. It's crucial to verify the authenticity of your device by inspecting its packaging and seals for any signs of tampering. Then, you'll be prompted to install the latest firmware. Always ensure you're installing official firmware directly from Trezor. This update process is vital for security and functionality. After the firmware is updated, you can proceed to either create a new wallet or recover an existing one. If creating a new wallet, your Trezor will display a unique 12 or 24-word recovery seed. Write this down precisely on the provided recovery card and store it securely offline. Never take a photo or store it digitally. You'll then confirm a few words from your seed to ensure you've recorded it correctly. Finally, set a strong PIN on your device. This PIN protects your wallet from unauthorized physical access, so choose one you can remember but is hard to guess. To ensure ongoing security, always double-check all transaction details directly on your Trezor's screen before confirming. This prevents phishing attacks or malware from altering your transactions. Remember, your recovery seed is the ultimate backup. Keep it in a secure, private location, ideally fireproof and waterproof, and never share it. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Finally, regularly update your Trezor's firmware to benefit from the latest security improvements and features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.